Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Remix IDE for testing smart contracts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Remix IDE for testing smart contracts, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Remix IDE website at remix.ethereum.org. Once the page loads, you will see multiple panels on the screen. The File Explorer, the editor, and the console will be visible. Next, create a new file by clicking on the plus icon in the File Explorer panel. Name your file with a .sol extension to indicate it's a Solidity file. Now, write a simple smart contract in the editor for testing purposes. Ensure that you define the contract address and its functions clearly. After completing your contract, go to the Solidity Compiler tab on the left sidebar. Select the appropriate compiler version that matches your code. Click on the Compile button to compile your contract. Check the console for any errors or warnings. Once compiled successfully, move to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. Here you will find several options to configure the environment. For testing purposes, select JavaScript v. Next, choose the contract you want to deploy from the drop-down menu. Click the Deploy button to deploy your contract. After deployment, you will see the deployed contract appear below. You can now interact with the contract functions directly from the interface. To test the functionality, input the required parameters in the interface. Click on the respective buttons to execute the functions. Observe the console for any logs, outputs, or errors. If the contract executes as expected, your configuration is successful. Feel free to edit the contract code and redeploy for further testing. Experiment with different functions to ensure comprehensive testing. Once satisfied with your testing, you can save your work within the IDE. Remember that Remix IDE also allows you to integrate with external tools and plugins for enhanced functionality. Explore these options for a more advanced testing experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.